Welcome back my lovely students. This is the last video of chapter 5 and today we are going to stop this chapter with the discussion of long answer question. Okay, so we have to discuss a lot of question in this. So without wasting time, let's start. The first question is saying what are vitamins and what are the types of vitamins, explain. That means first part of the question is asking the definition of the vitamin. You can explain in any of the language that you are feeling comfortable with, and then you have to explain the type of the vitamin and what are the function of that vitamin in our body. So what I have written, vitamins are nutrients that are needed in the very small amount by our body. Yes, of course, vitamins are the nutrient. I told you there are 5 types of nutrients, and out of that 5, one is vitamin. This vitamin is required by our body in a very small amount. That's why I always tell you, when you are eating the vegetable or fruits, one kind of vegetable or one kind of fruit in a day is enough. Okay, but generally we are having more than one type of vegetable. That is very good. So vitamins are the nutrient that that is required by our body in a small amount. And what is the function of this vitamin? It protects us against the diseases and keeps our body healthy. Okay, that's why we have to eat the fruit which is having all these type of vitamins. So there are 4 type of vitamin that you have to write in your answer, that are vitamin A. Vitamin A is responsible for our good skin and for the better eye vision. Our eyes, for our better eyes, vitamin A is very important. Next is vitamin B. It is good for our muscles and nerves. Okay, muscles that we are able to see under the skin, there are the muscles that is very important, that our muscles will also be healthy. Okay, so that we can do all the physical work very easily. And the nerves, you all are knowing nerves is very important. Okay, to have the healthy and the better nerves, we have to take the vitamin B. Vitamin C is very important for our gums. Okay, it heals our wound very fast. I explained to you now, when we are falling or we are having wound in our body, after some time, okay, we are healing our wound. Now some of the person take a lot of time to heal that, whereas some of the person heal within 2 to 3 days. That means they are containing vitamin C more as compared to the other person. If you will eat vitamin C rich food, then your wound will recover very soon and your gums will be also stronger. Generally in the citrus fruit we can find this vitamin C. Next, vitamin D. Vitamin D is very important for our bones and for our teeth. Okay, that's why in the early morning we should wake up and we should take the first rays of the sun. The first rays of the sun is always having the vitamin. Okay, a lot of vitamin we can take. So whenever you are waking early in the morning, don't forget to observe the light of the sun. Okay, but not after a long period of time, because that is harmful. Generally after 1 to 2 hours the sun rays are having more UV rays, that is not good for us. Okay, that are not good for us. When the sun are rising, that time only we can get the vitamin D. So I hope you will write the definition of the vitamins and the type of the vitamin also. Now question number 2 is what are minerals, explain calcium and salt. Minerals are also the nutrient and it is also required by our body in a small amount. Now there are different kind of minerals, okay, in the world we can find, and that all are required by our body. Okay, we need iron, we need potassium, we need calcium, we need sodium. Okay, these all are the example of minerals, but in this question we have to explain only the calcium and salt. Calcium is very good for our bones. You must have heard it is good for our teeth also. Calcium is present mostly in the milk and the milk product, and every time you have heard that you have to drink a lot of milk. Why? Because that is the rich source of calcium. So calcium is also one kind of mineral, and it makes our bones healthy and strong. What are the sources? Milk and dairy product, whole beans, pulses, green leafy vegetables are also having calcium in them. Next is salt. Everyone is eating salt. First of all, it makes our food very tasty. Okay, and second thing, it also complete the requirement of sodium and iodine. In our body, iodine is also important. Okay, so that we cannot have the problem of the blood pressure. Okay, generally the blood pressure is the problem related to the iodine. Okay, that's why you must have heard who is having the low blood pressure, they have to take a little bit of salt. Okay, now it balances the fluid in the blood. Our blood is also having the liquid thing that is known as fluid. If we are eating the salt, that maintain the balance of the liquid in our blood. So for that purpose we need salt. Why? Because these are having iodine. So basically iodine is the mineral that is present in the salt. You can see there are the different kind of mineral I have categorized here. First is calcium and second is iron. You can see. But you don't have to explain iron, you have to explain salt. Now the third question is asking the very important part of our life, that is water. Without water we cannot survive. Why is water so important for us? Every day you have to drink 2 to 3 liters water. It is advised to you. Why? Because most of our body is made up of the water. If we are doing any of the work, just keep in the mind, if whatever work we are doing, either the physical work or the mental work, from our body, some of the water used to remove. Okay, and if we will not intake a plenty of water, then the water level will reduce in our body and it can cause the dehydration, which is not a good thing. So we have to maintain the water level in our body. Okay, this is the first reason. Second reason, 70% of our body weight is due to the water, and it used to maintain the body temperature of correct body temperature. If we are not we are not drinking a plenty of water, then our body temperature can fluctuate and we can feel coldness or we can feel shivering. Okay, that is not a good thing. Next is water is also very important for our proper digestion. Okay, I told you whenever we are drinking the water, we don't have to drink the water just after eating the food. Wait for 30 to 45 minutes and then after we have to drink the water. We have to drink a lot of water because for the proper digestion, our food should have in the paste form. Okay, and that will be better if we are drinking a lot of water. So it plays a very important role in the digestion. So let's read the answer. Water is very important for us because it maintains the body temperature. First, it helps in the proper digestion. Second, it also keeps us hydrated after losing water through the sweat and urine. Yes, of course, you all are knowing in the summer season we used to sweat a lot, and every day we are going to the toilet to remove the urine, to pass the urine, and through that what we are actually losing, we are losing the water from our body. So if we are losing the water and we are not taking the water, then it is not a good thing. Okay, so every time our body is removing some of the water in any ways, and to maintain that balance we have to drink a lot of water. Now come to the last question. Why is exercise important for good health? Okay, you all are knowing nowadays what we are doing, we are not doing any physical work, and due to that our body is not very active. Whenever we used to exercise, first of all our muscles become very flexible and the blood circulation is become fast, and that is very good. More the blood circulation will be there, more we will be healthier. So exercise make our heart strong and make our body internally strong. If we are doing the exercises, our heart will be strong, our lungs will be strong, our liver will be strong. Okay, so exercise is good not for internal organ but for the outer organ also. if we are doing the outer organ like eyes and hands, these will also be good. Okay, so exercise generally strengthen our heart and improve the blood circulation. Not only this, but it makes us strong each and every part of our body. Okay, so if we our each and every part of our body will be stronger, then we will be the stronger. Okay, so it reduces the risk of the different diseases also. Yes, if one time anyone can suffer the disease, then it is a problem of the lifetime. And if you are doing the proper exercise, you can keep yourself away from a lot of type of diseases. And nowadays the heart attack and obesity, high blood pressure, these are very common. And why these all happen? Without the exercise. Because whatever food we are eating, if that food will not be digested, whatever extra food we are eating, if that food will not be utilized our body, then it will create the bad impact. So whatever we are eating, that all has to be used by our body, and that will be used if we are doing the physical work. Okay, and exercise is also one kind of physical work. That's why we have to exercise each and every day. I hope this video will help you. So here our chapter 5 is over. Next video we will in the next video we will meet with the next chapter. Till then, thank you so much.